Let me ask you something. Why is it that two people earning the same money live completely different financial lives? One feels calm. The other feels stressed always. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Money problems don't start when money is low. They start when rules are missing. Today, I'm breaking down the first 5 money rules no one teaches before age 25, rules that quietly decide whether your future feels trapped or free. Hey, I'm Rock. I talk about money, psychology, and the hidden patterns that separate people who stay broke from people who build real financial control without hype or shortcuts. If you've ever felt like money disappears too fast or no one explained this stuff properly, this video is for you. Let's start with rule number 1. Rule number 1, income doesn't create wealth, control does. Most people believe this. Once I earn more, my money problems will disappear. That sounds logical. It's also wrong. If income created wealth, high earners wouldn't live paycheck to paycheck, but many do. Here's the truth. Money grows by control, not income. If you can't control $1,000, you won't control $10,000. Think of money like water in a bucket. Most people try to pour more water in, but the bucket has holes. Before 25, your biggest skill isn't earning more. It's learning to keep money intentionally. Control comes first. Wealth comes later. Rule number 2, your first $1,000 is the hardest. Saving your first $1,000 feels impossible. Saving your next $10,000 feels easier. Why? Because the first $1,000 isn't about money. It's about identity. Before that point, your brain believes, I'm bad with money. Saving isn't for me. Once you cross it, something flips. You stop asking, can I save? And start asking, how do I save more? That mindset shift is powerful. Before 25, don't chase big investments. Prove to yourself that you can hold money. Momentum starts there. Rule number 3, lifestyle inflation is the quietest wealth killer. You get a raise. You upgrade your phone. Eat out more. Add subscriptions. Nothing feels reckless, but here's the danger. Lifestyle inflation feels normal until freedom disappears. Your income goes up, but your flexibility doesn't. Sometimes it gets worse. People who build wealth early do one boring thing. They let income rise faster than lifestyle. That gap? That's where freedom lives. Before 25, resisting lifestyle inflation puts you years ahead of people earning more than you. Rule number 4, emergency money beats investment money. Everyone online talks about investing. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't invest confidently if you're financially fragile. If one emergency can wipe you out. You don't need returns, you need stability. Emergency money gives you time to think, power to choose, protection from panic decisions. People without a buffer invest emotionally. People with a buffer invest rationally. Before 25, safety beats speed every time. Rule number 5, money is psychological, not mathematical. If money were about math, everyone would be rich, but money is really about habits, emotions, identity. People don't overspend because they can't calculate. They overspend because spending feels good now. People who win with money don't rely on discipline. They build systems that make good decisions automatic. Before 25, learning how your mind works with money is more valuable than any formula. Quick action steps. If you want to apply this immediately, track where your money goes for 30 days. Build your first $1,000 before investing. Freeze lifestyle upgrades when income rises. Build an emergency buffer. Think long-term, not emotional. Simple, but powerful. If this helped you, like the video, it helps more people see it. Subscribe for honest money education without hype. I'm Rock. See you in the next one.